Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly find all the pins you've personally created on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view your own creations, so you can easily revisit your ideas, track your progress, or just enjoy the inspiration you've shared with the world. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or just getting started, these updated steps will help you navigate the app with confidence. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is your personal hub on Pinterest, where you can see everything you've saved, organized, and created. At the top of your profile page, you'll notice several tabs. Look for the one labeled Pins. Give it a tap. This tab collects all the pins associated with your account, but we're looking for something even more specific. Now, here's the key step. Find and tap on the option that says Created by You. This is where Pinterest neatly organizes every pin you've personally made. It's a dedicated space for your original content, making it super easy to browse through your own ideas, projects, and inspirations without sorting through everything else you've saved. You can scroll through this section to see all your creations in one place. Whether it's recipes you've shared, DIY projects you've documented, or any other creative work, it's all right here under Created by You. This makes it simple to keep track of your contributions and even share them with friends or followers if you want. That's it. In just a few taps, you've found a streamlined way to view all the pins you've created on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!